Welcome to our guide on the top 5 IT skills every professional needs to succeed in their career. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting out, these skills are essential for staying ahead in today's competitive landscape. 1. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is revolutionizing the way businesses operate, offering scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. To succeed in IT, mastering cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud is crucial. Pro tip: start by earning certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator. These credentials validate your skills and boost your credibility in the industry. 2. Cybersecurity. With cyber threats on the rise, cybersecurity expertise is in high demand. Protecting sensitive data and systems is paramount for every organization. Learn about network security, encryption, and threat detection to become a valuable asset to any team. 3. Data analytics. Data's the new oil, and professionals who can analyze and derive insights from it are highly sought after. Master tools like Python, R, or Skull for data manipulation and visualization. Understanding statistical concepts is also essential for making informed decisions. 4. Artificial intelligence and machine learning and ML are transforming industries, automating processes, and driving innovation. Familiarize yourself with machine learning algorithms, deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, and natural language processing techniques. 5. DevOps. DevOps bridges the gap between development and operations, fostering collaboration and efficiency. Learn about continuous integration, continuous delivery, and infrastructure as code to streamline software development and deployment. By mastering these top 5 IT skills, you'll position yourself for success in your career. Keep learning, stay curious, and never stop improving. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.